Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert image inside the cell in Google Sheet. So let's start. First open your Google Sheet, then select the cell where you want to insert the image. So here I select the cell. After that, go to the insert tab and click on the image option, and here click on the first option, insert image in cell. So here you can see the different tab is available. First is upload. You can just browse from your computer to upload the image. And second is a webcam. You can use the computer camera to click the pictures. And the third one is link. Just paste here URL of image and you can select the image. And fourth one is photos, your gallery's photo. And fifth one is Google Drive photos. Here you can see my Google Drive photos. And then last one is Google's image. Okay, you just search here Google image. So I search here the dog and just enter, and here you can see the all Google image here search. Okay, so I simply select the one dog. So I just select here this one and click on the insert, and that's it. Here you can see the image is inserted inside the cell. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.